Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to make your Divi website's social media icons open in a new browser tab. This small change creates a seamless user experience by allowing your visitors to explore your social media links without leaving your website. We'll walk you through two simple methods to achieve this, using the Divi Booster plugin or adding a jQuery script. Let's get started. If you're looking for a simple, no-code way to make your Divi site's header and footer social media icons open in a new browser tab, the Divi Booster plugin is a great option. With this plugin, you can quickly enhance your site's navigation by just enabling a checkbox. It's user-friendly and ideal for those who want to implement this feature without any hassle. To access the social media icon settings in Divi Booster, start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From the menu, select Divi Booster under the Divi section. Once inside the Divi Booster settings, expand the site-wide settings panel. Next, open the Icons subpanel, and you'll see the available options for configuring your social media icons. Once you've accessed the Icons subpanel within Divi Booster, look for the option labeled Open Social Media Icon Links in a new tab. Simply check this box to ensure that your social links will open in new tabs. This setting is a quick and effective way to keep your visitors on your site while they explore your social media profiles. Once you've enabled the option to open social media links in a new tab, make sure to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the Divi Booster settings page and click the Save Changes button. This step ensures that your update is applied and takes effect on your site. Now that you've made the changes, it's time to test them out. Head over to your website's front end and click on a social media icon in your header or footer, like the Facebook icon. When you click it, the link should open in a new browser tab, allowing visitors to stay on your site while exploring your social media presence. If you'd prefer a code-based solution to make your Divi theme's header and footer social media icons open in a new browser tab, using jQuery is a great option. This method is quick, doesn't require editing any theme files, and automatically applies the Open in New Tab behavior to all relevant social media icon links across your site. Let me show you how it works. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Divi, then select Theme Options. Once you're on the Theme Options page, look toward the top and click on the Integration tab. This is where you'll be able to add custom scripts for your site. Next, scroll down to the box labeled Add Code to the head of your blog. This is where you'll paste a small script that ensures all social media icon links open in a new tab. You can find the exact code in the accompanying post. Once pasted, this code will automatically apply the Open in New Tab behavior to all the relevant links on your site. After you've added the script, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the Theme Options page. Once that's done, head over to your website's front end. Try clicking on one of your social media icons, like the Facebook icon, in your header or footer. The link should now open in a new browser tab, confirming that the update was applied successfully. In this tutorial, we've explored two simple ways to make your Divi site's social media icons open in new browser tabs, using the Divi Booster plugin or adding a jQuery script in Theme Options. Either method will help keep visitors engaged on your site while still allowing them to explore your social media profiles. Choose the approach that works best for your workflow and enjoy offering a more seamless and user-friendly experience for your audience.